So, hello, this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and just now we have completed a wonderful financial one-to-one consultation with Mr. Murali Gola. He is from Hyderabad, and he's working with one of the MNC as a software professional, IT professional. And it's more than 2 hours. I don't know where the time passed by, but we had a wonderful experience, wonderful discussion with his financials. So it was amazing talking to you, Mr. Murali. So I just wanted to know your feedback, your takeaways out of your session, how you feel, and what's your exact takeaways out of the session.
Yeah. So first of all, thank you very much, Shyam, for your time and for your support and all. So I'm really fortunate to meet you.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
At the right age, at least for my age, at this age. So that like whatever you suggested about my future plans and my family, my children, my retirement, everything, whatever, whatnot, and even growth plans as also. So it was really awesome session. We spent almost close to 2 hours. We didn't know that we spent 2 hours,
Yes.
but like you took care of all the concerns, all the factors, and you also took care of all the future plans, whatever is required for me and what gives more beneficial and all. So that is really awesome. I mean, you like we work like friends actually. So
Right,
that's
right,
really a good point to noted.
right.
So I would like to really thank you very much again, once again, and I would like to continue working with you to grow further in terms of financial, in terms of management and everything. So I'd like to work closely with you going forward.
Sure, sure. Thank you very much. I think what the best part you like about the conversation, like what really liked you and attracted you a lot, like this is something was completely missing, and I was looking for this some kind of solutions. So
Yeah.
what was
So
it?
yeah, basically, so everyone just randomly thinks that like investment is the only way, or investment is only the goal. Basically, most of the people that is only the goal.
Right,
If we have money, so just invest somewhere and get some returns out of that. So that is not the right way of managing life or planning for life. So
right,
what I understood or I got from you is that, so there are like multiple things which we need to cover basically in order to survive for longer with a happy life basically.
right, right.
For that, I think you have different ways and different steps of investment, different things to consider, like life insurance is one thing, and investment is one thing, retirement is another thing, children, family, all these are the different components which we need to consider to to be uh, to be happy or to have a better life going forward,
Financially free life, I would say.
financially free life, right?
Right, right.
So that thing, I think like most of the people will not realize that, to be honest. So with this session, definitely that is one thing which is required, mandatory for everyone, and that is being cleared.
Yes, great. Yeah, thank you very much. Especially for that financial pyramid method which we are following. Now, in each and
Yeah,
every prospect, each and every aspect of our life, there is a process.
correct,
Generally, people forget this to implementing in their own financial life, in their financial.
correct,
That also involves a kind of process.
correct.
So we followed that process step by step for your case, and we finally get a good output out of it. You realize you got all your gaps with step by step with each and every step, and we noted down the goals, and we will work forward towards fulfilling that goal. How we can fulfilling that gaps as well.
Right.
So that is the big part. So really, you are also very interested person in especially finance. You doing this, so it's really great talking to the people who are really interested in those things. In many cases, it happen. I keep explaining, but people are not that much attentive, or they feel, yeah, this is little deep. This is not something for me. But you really took interest, and I really appreciate your time, your interest, and the kind of
Thank you.
financial planning you have made so far. That is also better, but that is also far better, and we will definitely improve this in future.
Okay.
So thank you very much once again,
Yep.
and we will get in touch again. Thank you.
Yep. I would like to thank you once again. Thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.